Hi friends, welcome back to Marquis soaps. Today we are making a water lily and jasmine type soap. This scent is so pretty and it's nice and strong and cold processed soap. We are doing this as an Easter soap, so we have cute little Easter egg embeds we're putting on top. So I have all of my oils in my little bucket here. We are going to go ahead and get these mixed up with our stick blender, add in our lye, and as always, start making the soap. So if you are newer around here, our oils that we have in our bucket are olive oil, coconut oil, palm oil, we have shea butter, castor oil, sweet almond oil, and for additives I have sodium lactate, which makes for a nice hard bar soap. We have kaolin clay, so it's nice and silky, and we have coconut milk powder. Just adding in my lye water right now, and it did have some lye lint in there as I did put it outside to cool down, and the temperature outside with the wind chill today I think is -20, so we didn't have to leave it out there for long. Let's get to making this soap. Since we're adding titanium dioxide to the entire batch, I might as well mix it in now. I'm going to give this a nice little stir, make sure all of that pigment is off the bottom of our jar. And this is from Wholesale Supplies Plus. All right, now let's get to it, get some soap. So we're going to have 3 accent colors. The Let Us Entertain You by Mad Micas, to the Hollywood Pink and Proud Peacock. And now it's time to add in some fragrance oil. So as I'm blending this in, I'm also being sure to scrape down the sides of my bowl to make sure that there's no more mica there. So let's let this sit up for a minute, and then we will do a drop swirl into our soap mold. So we are going to do all of the white. We'll get this bucket scraped out. And I'm dropping these in kind of close to the surface because I don't want it to go all the way down to the bottom of the mold. I do want the drops, the swirls, to be towards the top. But now we're gonna go up higher. Oops. All right, so I'm just gonna scrape out all of my buckets, all of the buckets, and then I will bring you back when the soap frosting has set up and it's ready to pipe on. So we will see you in just a minute. So we are ready to pipe this frosting. So we have pink and blue. They're Easter eggs. They have little designs on them, but you couldn't really, I guess, see the design enough in the mold to make it different colors. So it's all one color. They're still cute. Fairy dust, sparkle sunshine. It's very nice gold. Sorry, I do have to tap it down a lot. I don't have luck with these fairy dusters. I feel like it always gets clogged. I have another one that has never worked properly. So I just transferred it into another bottle, or a shaker, a salt shaker. I think I'm gonna use that next. But we have to be really careful because it comes out fast. It makes a mess. All right. Start with some rubbing alcohol to lock everything in its place, and she's complete. And we are back to cut into this beautiful water lily and jasmine Easter soap. Oh my goodness. It is so cute. And here is that first bar. Beautiful drop swirl of colors in there. Those two eggs on top with the shimmer. Our eggs and our the top match the inside of the bar. It's beautiful. This will release on the special release date of March 15th. March 15th. So if you're interested, there's still plenty of time after that date to get you one to have it arrive by Easter. And even if it's not for Easter, it's still a gorgeous, beautiful scent. So thank you everyone for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. And we'll see you next time, guys. Bye.